Our Rainforest Wildlife and Eagle Sanctuary tour is the perfect way to immerse yourself into the nature and culture around Ketchikan. Your tour begins at the trailhead, where you can enjoy the stunning handcrafted totem poles, which are crafted on site by a master native totem pole carver. Once you emerge from the forest, you'll enjoy a scenic stroll along an elevated boardwalk through our protected estuary. The next stop on our journey is the Raptor Center, where you'll get to meet the protected eagles, owls, and other birds who call this sanctuary home. Overall, this is a great tour if you're looking to learn more about Ketchikan's history and the wildlife that calls its protected forest and waters home.